guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me to Knott's Berry Farm. I'm already dressed and ready. Let me show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this ribbed tank top, this gray jacket, and then some jeans. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'll see you guys when we're leaving. Okay guys, so we are on our way to Knott's Berry Farm right now. Okay guys, so we just got to Knott's Berry Farm. Okay guys, first ride is... Look what happens. Oh no, backwards! We're going! Okay guys, so we finished the log ride. My butt is really wet. It looked like I peed my pants. But we're on to the next ride. Okay, so we're going on the pony ride. I'm going to show you guys a couple clips. I don't want to film while I'm on it because I want to enjoy the ride, but I will film other people going on it so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we finished the horse ride. It was actually, that was the best, that was my favorite ride we've been on so far, but we've only been on 2 rides. Video! Yeah. Okay guys, we're on the ride. I don't know, it's kind of like the Buzz Lightyear ride, but it's at Knott's, so I will record on here. Headed on, we're going to the bumper cars right now. We finished the bumper cars, but I couldn't get any footage. They said no phones, so. But I will show you guys the next thing that we did. Oh, the next ride is the log ride. This is probably going to be my favorite ride, and I'm really excited for this ride. Here's our log ride photos. So we're gonna go on this swing ride right behind me. Alright, we're gonna go. I really like that swing ride. Now we're heading on the mats. I don't know, they're kind of like the teacups. Let me show you. Yeah, that's what they are. And you got some snacks. I guess we're not going to go. That was an experience. We're going to go on this ride. I'm kind of scared for this ride. It goes high. That's the ride. I will not be filming on the Suncoast. Okay, we went on that spinny ride. It was the best ride I think I've been on today. It was so fun. We are going on this ride next. It's called Jaguar. We're here, about to go on. Here we go. Oh no, here comes the drop. Here we go. Oh, no drop. We're on our way back. Okay, we're at the Chick-fil-A line. This might gross you guys out, but I have to show you. Don't squish it! Hey, don't hurt me. It really looks like a rotten cutie. This is my delicious Oreo cookie and cream milkshake. Then my chicken nugget. And we got the fries. So it's actually the next day because I forgot to film an outro, but I had a really fun time at Knott's Berry Farm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!